I'm going to show you what color and fade do on Instagram. These two things can make some really cool effects on your photos, and I'm going to show you on this image specifically because it has a lot of color. You can see a lot of the difference that I'm going to show you. So let's get right into it. So color, for example, on the shadows selection is more of the darker parts. So you're going to see a lot of tinting and color change on, for example, the darker parts. So, you know, the blues and stuff like that. You'll see that green, blue, whatever, you can see that happen. If I undo that and I go to highlights, you can see that the whiter parts are, for example, where the shoulders are and stuff, you could see that you're getting a lot more color on those. So like the fire example as well. And if you select a color, so like say if I go to green and I click it, you can see that I can go with the intensity. So I can go all the way up and go all the way down. You can kind of mess with this how you would with the other features, and it'll kind of allow you to adjust it accordingly. Fade, on the other hand, is more like you desaturating the colors, so you can kind of make it really desaturated, more like smoky almost in a way, or hazy. But if you don't want to, then just turn all the way down or just turn it off automatically. So these are the two features that are really cool on Instagram. Definitely use them. I really hope you liked it. Follow and like for more. Thanks. Bye.